Drink banana and cinnamon 1 hour before going to sleep and see what will happen. Incredible, sleep plays a vital role in good health and well-being throughout your life. Getting enough quality sleep at the right times can help protect your mental health, physical health, quality of life, and safety. During sleep, your body is working to support healthy brain function and maintain your physical health. In children and teens, sleep also helps support growth and development. Ongoing sleep deficiency can raise your risk for some chronic health problems. It also can affect how well you think, react, work, learn, and get along with others. According to the Institute of Medicine in America, over 50 million Americans experience the sleep disorder problem or poor sleep. If you are experiencing any sleep problems, you should definitely try this homemade banana cinnamon drink 1 hour before you sleep. Why bananas? Eating a banana can be useful in combating insomnia because it contains an amino acid called tryptophan that helps raise serotonin levels, which help regulate sleep patterns. It also will elevate your mood and help regulate your appetite. Minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium present in this fruit also help with sleep. Why cinnamon? The spice contains health-benefiting essential oils such as eugenol, a phenylpropanoids class of chemical compound, which gives pleasant, sweet aromatic fragrance to it. It also contains very good amounts of vitamin A, niacin, pantothenic acid, and pyridoxine. Cinnamon is the perfect ingredient you should use for this tea. It will give it a pleasant flavor to the tea, and it will help your body to relax. It also assists with blood circulation and digestion, which may interfere with your sleep if you don't use it properly. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 liter of water, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Directions: First, you need to start with a small pot with boiling water. Then, cut the ends of the banana and add it to the boiling water. Leave it to boil for 10 minutes. Pour water through the colander into a teacup. Add pinch of cinnamon for taste. You should drink this banana cinnamon drink 1 hour before you to go sleep. However, if you have trouble sleeping at night, that may indicate on other serious health problems. This can be caused by different reasons, such as mineral deficiencies, unhealthy diet, anxiety, and a way of life. Some sleeping pills may help you sleep better sometimes, but they will not fix the actual problem. That's why you need to focus on reducing anxiety levels, eating healthy food, you should exercise more, and you should practice better sleeping routine that will help your brain and body to relax more. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.